I'm going to offer you an opportunity to do an animal noise. And some of you are going to do it. And the ones that do it and have never done it before, you're going to laugh. You're going to giggle. You're going to feel sensations in your body that you haven't felt, called joy and happiness, in a long time. And then there's going to be others that aren't going to do it. And your mind has been running you for so long, for so many decades, and you haven't been anywhere near as happy as you want, and you think it has anything to do with anyone but you, and there's nothing wrong. And I offer you an opportunity to break out of this pattern and just try it. I promise you, if you do this animal noise, you will have access to joy and happiness. Because if you don't have access to joy and happiness, this is what's going to happen. You're going to get older, you're going to have regret, and then you're going to die someday. And that's reality. And I mean, here, ready? It's my life. What are the words? I'm gonna live forever. Sing it, finish it. Let's try that again. Ready? The words. I'm gonna add the words. It's my life. I'm gonna live forever. Listen to the words. I just wanna live without. Whose life is it?
My life.
So here's your opportunity to finally take control of your life.